How to fix TikTok video lag. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve TikTok video lag issues on both iOS and Android devices. So the video covers app level, device level, and network level solutions to improve smooth playback and scrolling performance. So if you're using Android, you can follow similar steps because the application operates the same on both of the devices. So you gotta open your TikTok application, head over to profile here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you gotta click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. After that, you gotta click on settings and privacy, and then you gotta scroll down till you find the option of cache and cellular. Click on free up space. And here you'll be able to see cache and downloads. So what you gotta do is simply click on clear over here, click on clear once again. So it's gonna calculate the TikTok data. And after that, when you start playing the videos won't lag anymore. So that's how you can fix TikTok video lag. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.